Batch Data Collector and Free Data Collector. Study session number 9. Creating your first recipe in the advanced interface. In this episode, you will learn how to complete a data extraction from a web page using the advanced interface. We will start from the list of NBA championship winning teams from 1947 to today using the website Wikipedia. This time around, however, we're going to use some clever export options. We will also partially review concepts related to the page's visibility spectrum and selectors in a more in-depth way, paying close attention to the CSS selectors that the inspector will choose for us. Let's begin. Open the web page containing the desired information and locate the table of interest. Load Batch Data Collector or Free Data Collector using the corresponding icon in the browser extension bar. Click on Go to Advanced Interface. Enter a title for the recipe in the Recipe Name field. In Main or Recursive block, press the Select key. Inspector will be loaded on the page indicated in Select Browser tab. This last drop-down allows you to choose the page on which the program will act for data extraction or to which the inspector will be loaded. The default option will always be the tab that was active when Batch Data Collector or Free Data Collector was first opened. The status of the list can be updated using the Update button. At this point, Inspector is opened on the Wikipedia page to be analyzed. Click on Structured blocks, like tables or recurring groups of information. Choose Tables. For this example, we will select the same table in the Champions paragraph. Click on Confirm Selection, and finally, again, on Confirm, which for now will skip the step allowing you to add other sub-selections. So far, nothing new. Return to the main window of the data scraper, and on the ribbon style menu, choose the Empty Results and Extract option. After a few seconds, the window will automatically scroll to the bottom, showing a variety of information. Also, you may note the progress bar of actions to be taken, which will have reached 100%. Below, the JSON format box with an array of results ready for copy and paste. Again, the Reset All Collected Results button will empty the buffer of temporary results. In the Other Format section, the Export to Excel format button will instantly generate an Excel file, along with the Show Results in a Table and Show Results in CSV format buttons. The first creates the Download Area tab. In the Visualization Mode box, 3 useful functions. 1. Formatted data renders the resulting table for quick review. 2. View Code shows the results in a clean and short HTML format for users who may want to reuse the table by incorporating it into another web page. 3. Select Code generates a text box with a copy of the source code, which is quite efficient. Taking a step back, Show Results in CSV format also opens the Download area. The buttons available in the Visualization Mode box are the same, but some outputs differ. Formatted data renders the resulting table, once again, for quick review. View Code shows results in semicolon-separated CSV format. Select Code does the same, but in a text box. The advanced interface, as you may have noted, immediately offers us more export options. Finally, let's analyze the selectors chosen by the inspector for the user. In the Main or Recursive block, the spectrum of visibility has been restricted to a table with class Wikitable, in particular the nth child 12, or the 12th child. This means that among the tables with class Wikitable, it is the nth child of its parent. The TR tag completes the selector. The tables, in fact, are composed of as many TRs as there are rows. The data scraper will know that the repetitive element to search for are the rows of the table specified above. The lines of our final Excel file will, thus, correspond to the lines of the table. Each of the table rows will feed a column. The columns, in HTML, are identified by the TD tag. For these nodes, in addition to the title and selector, an index is specified at the instance number input field. The indexes start at 0. To review, for each row, the column to be associated will in all cases be a TD, while the indexes of the 7 corresponding columns of each row will be respectively 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6.